Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to permanently delete your Gmail account. If you've decided it's time to say goodbye to your Gmail, this step-by-step guide will show you how to do it safely and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail app in your mobile device. And once your app has been opened, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, click on Manage Your Google Account option, which is located just below your email address. Now search for an option saying Data and Privacy and click on it. And once you have clicked on the option of Data and Privacy, scroll down until you see an option of permanently deleting your Gmail account. As you can see an option saying delete your entire account and data, so click on it. After clicking on that option, you will be redirected to this page where it says delete your Google account. And now for deleting your Google account, scroll down and click on the do checkbox. Once you have clicked both of the checkbox, click on delete account. And now you have successfully deleted your Gmail account permanently. I hope this tutorial was helpful for anyone who needed to delete their Gmail account. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.